In this video, I'm going to use one of my favorite brands, Modelones. We will do soft gel extensions and do cool summer design which combines glossy and matte top coat. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. I'm using Modelones brand for quite a while and I love their products. I have a few gel polish kits and this time I will have a full size gel polish for the first time. So I'm super excited to try them and let's see the colors. Modelones unpacking. And in this box we have many other smaller boxes. Here we have soft gel tips. I think this is like short element. I kind of like the bag they come in. Yes, I think this is like short oval or short element soft tips. This bag is really nice. You can close it afterwards, and recently I prefer these two boxes, even though it's a bit more convenient to pick them out of the box because you can immediately see the number. But these ones, they do not take much space, and also they're much easier and lighter when you have to travel. And also there is this file, I think this is 180-100 grit that comes with this kit. And here we have a whole bunch of boxes. Oh, there's another row, gel nail polish. Oh, okay, so they come in separate boxes. So wow, I already have some Modelones gel polishes. I love them, but they all are in a smaller size. So this is my first 15 milliliters, like regular size gel polish. Oh, wow, look at this color. It's like coral neon. Consistency is medium thick. I would say more thick. So I guess there will be more colors in these boxes, so let's open them all up and check out the colors. As usual, I will be using clear tips so you can see the coverage of these gel polishes, and this is just one coat. Wow, this is excellent. The consistency is super comfortable to work with and the coverage is great. Wow, this white milky color is awesome too. So I will show you more colors at once so you can see them. I mostly have regular colors. There is one color with shimmer and a few glitter transparent colors, and also one that changes color depending on the temperature. I use two coats only for transparent ones, and all the rest of them are in just one coat. Let's do the nails now. This is my client. She had soft gel tips as well, and we're checking out the rhinestones and seems like they're all at the same spot, and it is time to take them off. By the way, I do not have any old nippers that I normally use to take off crystals, and I will be using nail drill bit, the carbide bit, instead. Soft gel extensions can be soaked off, but it will take quite a while if you just start soaking them off. That's why I prefer to file everything that we can. To file the nails short, to file off the top coat and the color. And usually I just file them so they're very thin and then soak off the rest. By the way, when you're filing off soft gel tips or acrylic extensions, I recommend you to use protective plastic glasses because these particles of the product may accidentally fall into your eye. And right now I'm filing off rhinestones. I was worried how it's going to work, but it worked. So actually, if you do not have nippers just like me at the moment, you can also use the carbide bit, but be careful, especially with the large ones. When I file off the product and we have just a little leftover of the tip and the gel, then we can soak it off. I use acetone and a regular foil, wrap them up, and usually if you have a little product left, it will take you not long, about 10 minutes, and then we take off and carefully remove the part that is soaked off. Do not apply too much pressure. If it's not possible to gently remove it, then maybe you didn't wait long enough and you want to redo it again, or maybe you didn't take enough acetone. Some brands just completely soak off as you remove them, but some of them it seems like the base coat were soaked off while the tip on the top stays like this, like a gel-like, so you just gently take it off. And then we proceed to the prep, so make sure you remove all the leftovers and take off the surface shine. You can also file the free edge short, it will be easier to fit the tips. And now we need to find the correct sizes of the tips, and this is one of the most important parts, because if you fit them wrong, they are not going to last. They should perfectly fit from one side to the other. Then we proceed to the prep. First, we need to apply dehydrator. Apply it on the surface of the nails. If you are dealing with oily nails, then you may apply it twice. Wait until it's dry, and then we proceed to the primer, which also should be applied on the entire nail plate, but do not touch the skin. Also, do not apply too much. Actually, we need just a little bit, and there's no need to wait. We can apply the next product, which is base coat. Apply a thin coat without touching the surrounding skin and cure in LED lamp for 30 seconds. You can apply base coat on a few nails and cure them at once, but I do not recommend doing this with a thumb because it is located on the side. So when you apply base coat on the thumb, cure it separately, and then you can apply it on 4 nails and cure them together. So when you're working with 2 hands, you just apply it on the thumb, while it's curing you apply it on the opposite hand. Then I will be using acetone to clean the underside of the tip. I'm also using a lint-free wipe because I do not want any fuzz to get in there. Apply gel glue on the tip, make sure you apply it from one side to the other as well. Gently press as you're moving closer to the cuticle, and then you can freeze cure it with a small lamp and then fully cure in a regular lamp. And I love doing this part. It looks so satisfying as you see the gel fill in this area. Make sure you do not see any bubbles or empty spots. If you do not cure. Just take it off and redo it because it is going to cause product lifting. And also do not forget to fully cure it for 1 minute in regular LED lamp. And this is it. Wow, this is one of the most fastest extensions I've ever seen. And now let's apply the colors. We chose few colors: nude, milky white, orange, and neon pink. On some nails I still decided to apply 2 coats, but honestly later when I finished the design I realized that I guess it wasn't necessary. Anyway, fully cure it for 1 minute and let's start with the designs. So this one will be a zebra one, but we're not going to locate stripes as we normally do. I will make them around the lunula, and I'm using black gel polish by Modelones. I love this kind of consistency because it allows you not only to apply the color comfortably without worrying that it's going to run, but also you can do designs like this. Pinky will have a zebra design as well, and then we're going to do something else. Cure the design, the colors, and we're going to seal them with a glossy top coat except for one nail. The index finger, which is a nude one, is going to be covered with matte top coat. Cure for 1 minute in LED, and we are doing some design on top of this one. Since we sealed it with the matte top coat, just do not worry, any color is going to adhere on top of the matte. I outlined the nail with a white gel polish. By the way, I love when almond shape is outlined like this. Cure the white part, and then I'm going to add stripes on top. By the way, maybe it's not zebra, maybe it's a tiger, I'm not sure. But we add them all around the white and cure. And then we are going to seal them with a glossy top coat, so it is going to look like it is some 3D design on top. And cure it again. And this is the design. Let me guys know, what do you think? I wanted to recreate this for quite a while, and now we have a chance. And also this is a follow-up, the same nails after 1 month. They are still in a very good condition, no lifting. The only difference is that index finger now looks darker, but that's because of the matte top coat. It happens over time, so you need to clean them with a brush from time to time.
Let me know what do you think. I will leave the links to the products in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials and product reviews, just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.